The Instagram account Perfecto's Retreat posted the images yesterday showing a man with his gun and a dead pelican, a bird known to be protected by federal law. Well, now animal activists are demanding answers. Startling to animal activists.
I think it's completely inappropriate, it's irresponsible.
But a joke to its creator. These images posted to a St. Petersburg man's Instagram account have not only sparked a conversation, but also an FWC investigation.
The FWC is aware of the images on social media in reference to the pelican. We are investigating it.
The images show a man with a gun sitting on the edge of a pool, and underneath it, the same man holding what appears to be a dead pelican over a shallow grave dug in the sand. And a question is posed between the images. Fair penalty for going to the bathroom in the pool? The author, Danny Isla, says it was a joke and that he found the pelican already dead.
It is in bad taste because a lot of people don't know the laws that protect our wildlife.
Kim Salzbegay, a conservation advocate with the Florida Audubon Society, says if it really was a joke, it's sending the wrong message.
These birds are not game birds and there's never any hunting season on them. It's federally prohibited by federal law, the Federal Migratory Bird Treaty Act, to shoot them or to harass them or cause any harm to them.
Isla issued an apology on his social media this afternoon, saying in part, "It was obviously a bad joke. I did not shoot the pelican. I found a dead bird and buried it. I combined it with an old picture of me shooting a pellet gun. I'm sorry." And the FWC says anyone who kills a bird protected under that federal act, like the brown pelican in this case, is looking at a misdemeanor, which can result in up to a $500 fine or up to 60 days in jail. Linda.
All right.